Good evening, gentlemen. Shall we start with your names?
Actually, would you mind coming down here? It's really hard to have a conversation like this.
I have a better idea.
It's no good, it won't move, sir.
Low intensity exploding cotton bud. There'll just be a slight pop.
Come on!
Hand me the sherbet fountain. This is now an enemy target.
Yeah, see?
If you'd wanted to kill me, you would have already done so. Till we meet again.
Well, that was sooner than I expected.
Oh.